Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn volume, what is the importance of volume, and how it is used to confirm the trend or how it will use for trend analysis. So let's get started. So volume play a very integral role in a technical analysis as it helps us to confirm the trend and pattern. Okay, so volume indicates how many shares are bought and sold over a period of time. Okay, so the more the active share, higher the volume would be its volume. For example, you decide to buy 100 share of Axis Bank at 485 and I decide to sell 100 share of Axis Bank at 485. So there is a match in quantity as well as price, okay, which result in trend. So together I and you have generated or created a volume of 100 share. Okay, so many people thinks that we 100 plus 100, that is 100 buy and 100 sell, so 200 volumes are generated, but not, it is 100 volumes generated. Okay, so just clear this doubt whenever we are going to buy and sell. Okay, so total 100 volumes generated, not 200. Okay, now volume information on its own is a quite useless. Okay, what do you mean by what information you will get when I am going to say there is a volume of 100 in a Axis Bank? Then so it alone is a useless, but already discussed. But when we associate a volume with price, okay, or trend, volume information become a meaningful information. So we see whenever the price increase and volume increase, we can see it is a bullish trend or smart money or the smart player buying the stock. Okay, whenever increase in price but volume is less, okay, so weak hands buying. So currently not, no active traders are there or no smart players are there. Whenever the price is decreased and volume is increased, okay, we can see a bearish. And whenever the price is decreased and volume is decreased, okay, again weak hands selling. So with the help of price, okay, a volume give a meaningful information. Okay, now normally a traders use a volume and compare with the last 20 days volume to identify the volume. For example, uh, high volume means today's volume is greater than last 20 days average volume. Okay, same way when we have a low volume, so today's volume is less than last 20 days average volume, and the average volume equal to today's volume equal to last 20 days volume. So this volume, the moving average of a volume can use to identify, okay, the effectiveness of price and volume. Okay, so we will see with the help of example. Okay, so for in order to do that, I have opened my Zerodha account. In Zerodha, just go to add volume chart. Okay, so you can see that, okay, volume is average, but here the volume is large and we have a selling pressure. Okay, on our next day after that we have a volume, buying volume, so up. So price increase, volume increase, bullishness. Price decrease, volume increase, bearishness. Okay, others average volume, that is a consolidation or weak buying or weak selling. If you see on daily basis, see volume are very less, but here prices are decreased, volume also increase. Okay, so you can identify the effect of volume with price, and you can easily identify trend, not trend, but what is bullish or bearish on that day. Okay, normally if I am a trader, then I will use moving average on volume to identify the daily volume or the average volume. So I will add moving average Now here you have to select, instead of close, select volume and simple. Okay, so whenever the price is above the moving average, okay, then higher volume. Okay, in this candle volumes are higher. If the buying volume is here, the buying volumes or the positive candle of volume higher the moving average 50 or 20, whatever. For example, we will take 50. Okay, you can take any. For okay. Now here again 50-day volume is higher, but in order to act early on volume, okay, you can take exponential volume also, and you can take 20 days volume also. Okay, so here now you can see, okay, buying volume is higher than regular 20 days moving average. Okay, price increase, so bullish. Okay, same way daily basis volume are increasing, price are decreasing. So you can easily combine a volume with price, and you can identify what's going on in stock or nifty future, or any other stocks. Okay, again let's see some more example. Okay, we have already discussed this downtrend day by day, or down a 5 minute volumes are increasing, okay, and stock prices are decreasing. Again after that, prices are increasing, volume are increasing. So you can combine a volume with price, and you can identify whether on that day the stock is bullish or bearish, or do you want to take trade in future based on volume and price. Okay, if for example, uh, let's see one example in which support and, okay, let's see here, when a price is closes your 50-day moving average, you want to buy. But on that day, if the volume is higher than 20 days moving average, then and then you are going to buy. Okay, otherwise it might be possible from here reversal is possible. Okay, again you can see here, when the price is close below this 50-day moving average, you can sell, but you can confirm the trend or trade with the help of volume. Okay, volume are increasing, okay, price are decreasing here, so you can take trade. And it is also break down the 50-day moving average, so you can trade for zero point 0.5 or 0.1%. Okay, it depends on risk management. Okay, we will see some, if we have a support and resistance. take any take any chart, for example TCS. Okay, now see here, okay, it is taking support multiple times. So when it comes to this point, on the next day we have a increase in price and increase in volume, so we have to buy, not we have to sell here, because it is near our resistance line. Again here, as soon at this point, it is near the resistance, sorry, support line. Okay, and volumes are increasing, okay, here, so you are not going to go sell here. Okay, rather you have to buy. Now here at this point, a support line is broken with high volume. Okay, and the volume is higher than last 20 or 20 days or 30 days. Okay, so now you can sell here close below this support line, volume are increased, now you can sell here for some downtrend. Okay, so volume can be used to confirm your trade, volume can be used with price to identify bullish or bearish in a stock. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.